Hello, what day is it? Um, that's my notification telling me that I'm on Devon Shell 5. So, am I fashionably late or on time? I mean, either way, I look good. Or I'm fashionable, but. So this is what we're working with right now. For people who weren't here last time, I'm going to play a little bit of a demo. Uh, Basically, what we've done since then is just add a loading screen and some sound effects, but you probably can't hear it because my game is super low. And if you hit public, it brings you to the public rooms. But what we're going to work on right now is we're going to work on some more effects of the main GUI. So I'm going to make this top frame here. The reason I'm making this top frame is actually so that, hold on. Okay, just making sure I am. Anyway, the reason I'm making this top frame is because, like, the thing up top with, like, where the chat is and whatnot is always, like, it's not where the area is set to 0 on the UDIM 2. So, like, if I play it here, this top area right here is not usually covered. So I want to fix that, which is what I just did. So I'm just gonna rename it to Ignore Me, Please. And then okay. Let's create a new frame, and we're gonna call this map creation or map selection. And map selection solo. How about that? Because the map selection for solo and the map selection for public are going to be a little different. Main difference being that public is going to have, like, how many people you can have in it, if it's friends only or whatever. You know, that whole thing. Solo just cuts the bowl and gets you straight to wherever you want to go. So map selection solo, I'm going to insert, where is, image label. And this is going to be like the map preview. We're just gonna set the image to nil because whatever. Image color, keep that the same so that way it doesn't mess with the image any. Put that over here, and then 5. So actually, let's make that 0.4 by 0.4, so that way it's cubic with the screen. Let's make this 5.5. There. And then we're going to bring this down by 0.2. Alright. So change the background color. Make that a little dark. So that's going to be the map preview. Going to make yet another frame. Map selection. Or map selector frame. Let's do that. Selection frame. And name this. Here we go. Text label, or no, not text label, definitely like a text button. And we're gonna name this let's see, demo. Take this, we're gonna change this thing's size. We're gonna take it down to 0.3 and 0.6. And take it over 0.1 and down 0.2. Actually, let's bring it up a little bit, maybe. Or actually, down. By just a little bit. And back over to the left a little bit more. And then make a text label. I'm going to name this title. And text is going to be map selection. There we go. Hello, Plasma. Text color, white. Give it a bluish outline. Just like the old version a little bit, and we'll tweak it when we're done. Yeah, no kidding, right? Yeah, it won't be that bad. Yeah, this is just the solo map selection. So, or rather, we could just set this to the map selection, and then while you're in the lobby, you can change this stuff. It'll start out as private, and then you can change it from private to public if you want to. Or actually, I have an idea. I'll figure it out. And then the title is going to be background transparency 1. And then filler. Just going to be we're going to clear this. And then this is just going to be like a white streak, sort of. Make it 0.02. Here we go. 0.01. We could just like put some Roblox filler music in there for the time being. But for all intents and purposes, yeah, I will. Eventually. And then the demo selection. It's going to be 1.05. No, let's make it 0.08. And text alinity is going to be to the left. Demo map. Make the background color for it like a dark blue, maybe. And then 0.8. There we go. I have no idea how that's possible. Bring that down one. There we go. And there we go. All right. Make the text color white. The text stroke color we could, and we're gonna leave that. It's just gonna be like the text. Let's examine. What is this? That's not bad. I like that one. So that's the map preview. I'm gonna duplicate the title, drag that down here, make it a line, and we're gonna call this the description or map description. And then make it empty. There we go. And we're going to insert a local script into selection frame. And we're going to just use another for IV. I just do that because I like it in pairs. Do, and then script.parent get children. Then take this. Yeah, sure, do what you want. Local, or sorry, if V is a text button, then hello. Let's see. V.mouse enter. Connect. If I can get that uppercase, that'd be nice. Connect function. There we go. And we'll do one for mouse leave. Change the v.background color 3 equals color 3.new or color 3 from RGB 00127 and then v.text color. And then what is the text color? It's 255. Okay. Here we go. I'm actually going to take that, put that down here. Tab, tab, tab. Copy. And paste. I could have just done that. So when it enters, let's see, red, I'm gonna make that 80. Yeah, green, 160. And then blue, we're gonna make 0. And then let's make this 160. Make it kind of yellowish, but either I can make this 255 and get a bit more of saturation. 200. Or 255. Make that. Let's make this a little orangish. All right. And then the text color is just going to be sheer black. I could have just done this from the get-go. Give it a base color. And then publish. Oh man, I don't like this whole committed thing. So that way when you select the map, it does that. Okay. And we're actually going to change the background transparency as well. I hate this committing thing. Something a little brighter. Maybe if I add a little bit of blue to it, it'll make it a little bit brighter. Yeah, that made it a little brighter. All right, so demo map, and then great. That's all right. So I'm actually gonna make this invisible. Yeah, I'm gonna make it invisible. And then I'm gonna continue working on it so that way Plasma can do his thing a little bit if he wants to. And then selection frame, local script, okay. V.mouse button, one click, connect, function, and we'll just have it print something. Print v.name. Mute the stream, what do you mean? Like, you probably can't even hear the game as is. So whenever it's clicked, it just prints the name of the text button, which we'll use for, you know. Oh, you gotta mute the stream, okay. Player spawn, oh, right. Let's see. What can I do next? Okay. I'm gonna make it so that, where is, oh yeah, Gravestone interact. Let's give it another else and if v.name equals solo. There we go. Main GUI rooms. Main GUI dot map selection dot visible. Gravestone is okay. Here we go. Now, if I go in and I click solo, that should, yeah, there you go. So it just brings me to the map selection, and you know, I can put my thing over the thing. If I click it, it prints demo, which means it does the job. That's great. What else? What else? Oh, and I'm gonna go ahead and get the teleporting out of the way. Let's see, remote event. I'm gonna call this the teleporting event. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Teleport event. Put a script inside of it. Script.parent.onServer event connect function, and then player. Let's see. Player map selected. All right. TS equals, and then we're gonna call this the solo TP. So that, or like, we'll call this the solo teleport event. So that way we know that this is made specifically for the single player version. But TS equals game.teleport service. Or teleport service, you can just do that. TS teleport, or what is it? I actually use get service. Not get children, get service. Teleport service. Teleport. And then I think it's the place ID. I'm just gonna take this. I'm gonna copy the ID to clipboard. It's just gonna teleport us back, and then player. And down here, if map selected equals demo, then there we go. All right, so now that we have that script committed, I'm gonna go down to this local script, and then down here where the print is, I'm going to go to workspace.solo teleport event, fire server, and then v.name. So that way it picks up what we're putting down. I'm gonna just make sure of something real quick. All right. Demo map clicks. Cannot teleport in Roblox Studio. Okay. So we're actually gonna have a wait function right here. It's gonna be wait 6 because that's about the amount of time that it takes for something to DL. Going to game.serverScript service dot player added dot saving fire player. And let's see here, is all I need player? Yes, it is. Okay. So now it saves your data as well. So solo is basically done, which is great. It's less than half the work we have to do though. So we're going to create a new file in server storage, and it's going to be lobbies. And we're going to make a lobby named, or how about a object value? Example lobby. And it works. That's great. So the example lobby, the object value, is going to be the host player. So that way we can have the other players follow the host player. Inside that, we're going to insert an int value called players. And this is also going to include everyone that is not, or yeah, and 1 second. I'm going to duplicate example lobby and I'm going to put that in here. Delete this, so that way I have an object value and I don't have to search for it. And we're going to make this example player. So when a player joins, their player object is put into players. And then in here we're gonna put int value map. So that way it logs the how do I put it, the place ID for the map. What do you mean you're improving some things? It was already good. So map, and then we're going to make the let's see. A second, let me think. All right. So, drink. So string value. Or, well, actually not string value. We're gonna make it a bool value, and we're gonna name it public. And the default is going to be true. You can make it private, but it's mostly going to be public. So let's see. All right, I'm gonna put a script inside of here. script.parent or local children equals script.parent get children for I equals 1 number of children do local child equals children I if a spammed function. Yeah. It'll be fine. The maximum amount of lobbies that are going to be used in the game are going to be 25. Unfortunately. Sorry. If child, if not child, is a script and child dot name does not equal example player. Then, so this will count up. Local amount equals 0. Amount equals amount plus 1. And then at the end of that, script.parent.value equals amount. And then we're going to just have this while wait do. And then end. There. So that way it constantly updates and whatever. So Plasma, can you start on the on adding the create what is it? I'll just do it myself. Not like you know what I was talking about. But where we go into rooms, make that visible, and then you can't like just create room thing, and then I'll script it. Just try to make it look pretty, okay? Plasma? I don't see it, but like, I mean, I just want this thing to have like, that's not what I asked for. Like so what I asked for was like make a button for it. And also create room script. Well, whatever. But like I was talking about, never mind, I'll just do it. Let's see. We got a room scroll, rooms. Okay, go into rooms, text button. Create room. And then make the width Yeah, we'll make it 1. Make the okay, that'll work. Make it white. Black. The reason I'm using like white and black so much is because they're great contrast colors. Not that way. There we go. Create room created. Okay, local script. Let's make a map selection. Inside map selection, we'll put a bool value. Solo, or rather public. And then we're going to make a let's see, private, which is automatically off. So public is also off. Script.parent. Mouse button, 1 click, connect function, and then script.parent visible equals false. Script.parent map selection public value equals true. Take the same route. Visible equals false. What are you doing? Oh, okay. What am I missing? Nothing, it seems. Let's see, if script.parent.public is false, value false, then and else. Yeah, let's duplicate this, and then we're going to name it public lobby start, and then plobby we're going to have player map selected and private for this firing. Let's see, game.serverstorage. was it? Lobbies. Example lobby clone. And then we're going to name that players lobby. Or local p lobby. Equals local p lobby. Or so no. P lobby dot name equals player dot user or player dot name lobby. P lobby dot value equals I'm creating a public lobby thing right now. We're coding a game for King's Entertainment right now. It's pretty decent. It's going to be a very fun game. I'm going to enjoy playing it a lot more than I am making it. So it clones example lobby. Game dot, or sorry, p lobby dot public equals private dot value, or not private. So it takes that value and puts that in there. Equals. Take a sip of my drinky drink. Some good stuff. Remember the old Bluxy Cola sound effect? Where it's just like a sippy sound and then like a refreshed exhale? That's how I feel right now. Let's see, map selected demo. I definitely don't need that there. And then p lobby dot map dot value equals that. So that should be the all good lobby creation right there. Where is this X? I want to know where it is. Rooms. Yeah, I loathe commit. Close button. I'm gonna take that and I didn't mean to mess with your script. Let's double check. Let's see if this works. All right, is that public X? Okay, cool. The thing about this right here is this is visible. Is this? No, that's anchored. Why is it not showing? Yeah. What are we doing? I didn't come up with it. Plasma did. We like to have fun here, I guess. It's mostly because like I don't want to name it something stupid like KEZ2, because like naming it the sequel of a game just doesn't do it justice. It's too good for that. It's gonna be completely different anyway. Well, not completely different, but you know. Yeah, the nickname for it is currently KEZ2, but no. Let's see. I'm gonna close public rooms right now. And I'm gonna reopen map selection. I don't think that's why I didn't get a ton of visits last time. I think it was because like it was an old game. Like the design of it is obviously old. Like you can tell. I worked on it for like a month and then I totally forgot about it. And then when I came back, I wanted to fix it, but I couldn't remember for the life of me how it worked. So we're gonna make a new text button, and we're gonna name it private. And we're gonna title it public. All right. All right. Not one. I don't know. One is size 0.4. If that. 0.1. There we go. Bring that over here to like 0.6. No, 0.55 definitely. And bring that down to 0.05. There we go. Make the font a little creepster. Here we go. And we'll make that green. Well, we'll make this completely absent, and then we'll make this green. Text color is going to be green with a black text stroke. And then put a local script inside of it while wait do if script dot parent dot public, or rather private dot value equals false, then script dot parent dot text equals public. Else private. Thing is, like, I don't think this is this makes it abundantly clear that you can click it, and it change it from public to private. 1 second. But Do. And then put that over that. So a little bit of a heads up. When you have a loop like this going on, it does not run the functions below it, so you have to put this at the end of the script if you're ever going to put one in. And you don't intend it to break. Or return. So script.parent. Script.parent.mouse. Button one click, connect function. Script.parent. Private equals dot value equals false. And then if we're going to make that equal true, then and else. Well, I can just totally forgot I had that saved to my clipboard. Saved me a lot of time. All right. So make sure that this is only visible when you create a room. Let's see, private. Yeah, I need to rename this to private. Private button. Dot visible equals true. I don't think I did. I'm usually very sensical when it comes to that, but we'll see. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm an idiot. Well, I don't see any syntax errors. So public, create a room. Why isn't it visible? What happened? I have committed everything. I'm trying to figure out why this isn't working though. No, it's not. It's not a remake. More like a rebrand. Map selection, not visible equals true. That's where I faltered. All right, public, create room. Here we go. Click this, changes from public to private. All good. So now, in 54 minutes, we have kind of like an okay of what we're doing here. We set up the teleporting. That's great. and we have to set up the public teleporting. I'll probably do that off screen because I just did the solo teleport in front of everyone. I'll briefly go out over the public teleport later, but I'm gonna actually sign off a little bit early. I got some things to do, so I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. I'll see you later. Any questions though? I got this thing on low latency. I should probably put it on ultra low. I'm not sure, but all right. I hope you guys have a great day. Have a good one.